Puno sekango kaya information dikha je CM by EM sabsabo manka. Nge chini ke nong ni bagi video ko tal tu edisi hapang nengai je CM by EM je mana ra bot tong jak baikha bo department borong chitok baikha. Ngai nadi obo nongkor ka puila onaro heading sijak tongo Tripura Tribal Areas Autonomous District Council Office of the Chief Executive Officer Khumulung West Tripura henai oro te date tongro 23/4/2021 inke oro notification botongo inke angabona poligla ajago buti rules stock sijak tongo inke pharisung bidini bokho thanglai police kangna dio jago chini chief executive members bini samung tamtamai ba bo potobono bini power aba haika number 1 hongkai Sri Purnachandra Jamatia chief executive member hingke number 1 of bini khlaitai hingke bobo general administration including appointment and service number 2 hingke finance number 3 wo law number 4 hingke planning number 5 hingke development including RD number 4 hingke forest science technology and environment number 7 hongke cooperative number 8 hongke ICAT number 9 hongke all policies and any other department which are not allocated to any members obahai bini power joti bini power tongo aro amane bini je pot bono chongjakha a pot joti bini hingke 9 ta pot bo mankha tabuk phali number 2 second hongke chini sir Sri Onimesh Deborma bo executive member 1 hingke agriculture and horticulture number 2 hingke industries number 3 hingke tribal welfare o samrok bo mankha bo khai tinta pot makha chini sir Onimesh Deborma number 3 Sri Chittaranjan Deborma executive member bokhe number 1 makha education number 2 hingke PWD number 4 Sri Kamal Kalai executive member bo hingke number 1 makha ARDD number 2 hingke health aboni bagi bini samungnai hingke number 5 hingke sini sir Sri Baba Ranjan Riyang executive member bokhai LRS kaisana mana bopot hingke number 6 hingke Srimati Doli Riyang executive member bo hingke social welfare and social education bini samung aw hayingnai guys number 7 hingke Sri Rajesh Tripura bo hingke fisheries to bo potomakha fisheries potomakha executive member bobo hingke number 8 hingke chini Sri Suhel Deborma executive member bo hingke mankha sport and youth affairs tui bo samung khlainani mankha hingke paithagoro signature tongo Sri Bolin Deborma chief executive officer TTAA DC Khumulung hingke tinin bagi musukno norok saima khana je sini CM ba EM rok ba chief executive member tei executive member rok tamtamo bo poto borok bo tei samung khlainani borok mankha khaklaina rok video no nai chajakhna tomon norok sar songno tei thanchani mungno norok samjagi tongkhe kiniti prasad dofano tei o je samung khlaina bagi je khorok char manai rokno norok chajagi tongkha kai tei morokno norok logiri tongna mo chungui tong hangkai borok samung khlaijak like share tei comment bo khlaidi gesungno jotona hambai ti promote haik lakthun bobogra haik lakthun ti prasad dofa haik lakthun